Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a Valentine's Glam makeup look. So let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, so for today's look, I'm starting off with eyebrows because I want to do the eye look and kind of do what I want to do before I do the base so that if I mess up, I can clean up. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Soft Brown. I'm just going to do what I do normally with my brows and fill them in, not going anything too crazy, just brushing them up. Okay, now that the brows are filled in with the Dip Brow Pomade, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light and a flat brush to carve out the eyebrows, and then we're also going to use this to prime the lids. And I'm just going to take a brush and blend out the concealer that we put on. We're going to set the eyes with the Hairspun Loose Face Powder in the color Naturally Neutral. And then to set the brows, we are going to be using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the color Chocolate. Alright, now that the eyebrows are done and the eyelids are primed, I'm going to be taking this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade, you know, I really couldn't tell you because it's not on here. We're going to be using this as the base to our eyeshadow look. Put it all over the eyelid. And then with a round and flat brush, I'm going to be blending it out while it's still wet. To make sure that the liquid lipstick on our eyes is set before I add powders on top and blend out, I'm going to take the same powder I used to set the eyelids and I'm going to set that liquid lipstick. This is just going to ensure that any shadows that we do put on top of this base aren't going to stick to it or be patchy. Now I'm going in with this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. I'm going to be using this in the crease area. Then I'm going to be taking this dark berry maroon shade with a smaller blending brush. I'm going to start building this up in the outer corners to darken that up. So I'm looking at the palette, and there are these 3 shades here at the top that are all pink hues, and I can't really decide which one I want, so I'm gonna swatch them to see. I'm gonna go here for this middle one. It's more pink. This one's more peachy, and this one I think is too light, so I'm gonna go with this middle one. With my finger, I'm just gonna take that and pack it on. And then with the same brush that we used to deepen up the corner, I'm going to blend the glitter into the outer. So I'm going to take my color on the brush and spray it and see if I can try to pack it more on there. And then I'm going to blend once more. I'm going to add more of the deep red. Next, I'm going to be adding some liquid liner, and I'm going to be using the Insanely Intense Tattoo Waterproof Mascara, or not mascara, eyeliner from Scone. I'm just going to line the upper lashes, just a little line to define the upper lash line. On the lower lashes, I'm going to be taking the same liquid lipstick that I used for the base up top, and I'm going to be smudging that out underneath the lash line. And then with an angled brush, I'm going to be going in to the darkest red that we used and smudging that out on the lower outer corner. Okay, next I'm going to prime the face, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the color 420 True Beige on a rounded foundation brush. Next, I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the color 340 Fawn, and I'm going to be putting this on the areas that I feel need a little bit more coverage. And buffing those in with the same foundation brush. And then to conceal and highlight the face, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light. And then we're also going to use this concealer to clean up around the eyes where we blended out the eyeshadow, highlight the nose, the cupid's bow, and the chin. And with a tapered face brush, blend all that out. Then to set the entire face, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun powder in the color Naturally Neutral. Now to bring some dimension back to the face and to warm up our face a little, I'm going to be bronzing with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the color Bronzer. I'm also going to be using this to contour the nose. I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay, now for blush, I'm going to use this Hot Mama by The Balm, and this is what it looks like. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I think that this is going to go well with the eye color. And I wanted to do something really pink and really blushy, and I really think that this is going to be a good blush for that. Taking this on a e.l.f. powder brush that I use. I also think I'm going to be taking this blush shade from the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette, and this is in the color Hibiscus Bloom. To highlight the face, I'm going to be taking this highlighting shade out of the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette again, and that is in the color, I'm pretty sure that this is in the color Rose Gold. I'm also going to be using that shade to highlight the brow bone and to highlight the inner corner. Alright, before I put mascara on, I'm going to take my rose water and glistening spray. I'm going to take this and I'm going to spray it all over my face and blend it in with a beauty blender to melt all of the makeup together and set it on my face. Next, to finish up the eyes, I'm going to be using the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and this is just a little tube with a fluffy brush. And then I'm also going to be using this mascara on the lower lashes too. Alright, last but not least is lips, and for today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Color Rich lipstick in the color Blushing Berry. This is what it looks like. Alright everyone, this is the finished Valentine's Glam makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Okay, see you next time. Bye.